Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to go over the Cherry Blossom collection that I promised you guys that's launching in March. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. This I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
We are going to go over the Cherry Blossom collection, guys. I am going to do the handbags first because it's a lot from these collection, guys. That's why I didn't want to do the multi-color collection. It's just too much. You have the beautiful accessories, the hair bows, the shoes. I'm gonna have to break this down. So we are going to go over the handbags, and then if I really feel like it, we'll go to the shoes, the accessories, and so on. Okay, first and foremost, we are going to start with the Alma BB. I've been hearing everyone speak on the Alma BB. I am going to get the Alma BB. Not me, I'm just saying that's what they have been telling me. They have been waiting on this collection. Here it is. Pink lovers, I think this is most definitely right up your alley. For some reason, I can see this handbag, and if you have the Delina perfume, the pink bottle, for some reason it just feels like it goes together. I don't know. It just feels like it goes together. The Delina perfume, if you have it, I do. It just feels like it go together. But this to me is very cute. I'm not going to say childish at all. I'm not going to say teenager because I'm hearing a lot of that. I think it's cute. Not for me. Like I said, pink lovers and those that honestly have been waiting for this collection. And I'm so happy for you. So we do have the Alma BB. Let's go over the product code number. Guys, the price, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm hearing too many different. This is too new. It's too fresh. I'm just hearing so many different prices, and then some of the CAs, they don't know themselves. I'm not supposed to even be showing this, okay? So just work with me. I heard that it's similar to the multicolor collection prices as well. So that's what I received, but it's not a for sure thing. I love to actually get the entire like lookbook where I see the product code number, the picture, the price, and then they give me the description as well. That's what I received. But I didn't this time because I'm not supposed to disclose this. So let's go to that information. I do have my phone in my hand, okay? So let's go over it. This is the Alma BB. As stated, it does come with a pink strap as well, guys. Of course, it has that bow on the front with the little padlock, guys. I think that's the cute part. I really do. Up against this pink, the pink bow with the padlock as well. And I love the two different tones of pink on this. The product code number is M13104. And I will have the prices up here as well from what I received. Like I said, it's exactly the same, similar to the multicolor collection. If anything changes, I'm waiting on a message from a CA. I will be sure to update, okay? Let's move on to the NeoNoe. This is just a handbag design that I haven't just really been big on. I actually purchased a NeoNoe before in the BB size, and I kept it for a year. I mean, unused, untouched. I took it out of the dust bag, did an unboxing, and put it on the shelf. That was it. But you have this here that's very cute. NeoNoe size BB. Product code number is M13676. Okay, price and information is above. Okay, so besties, before moving on, I want to say this. I've been seeing different vintage handbags that are so cute from this collection. Like I said, I've never been in this collection, so I had to do my research. Our straight multicolor collection here. But here's a few vintage pieces that I seen and designs. Like, I honestly love this design handbag. Like, I love it. But I will love this in monogram and black. Like, this is so cute. If this was a monogram and black handbag, they can take away the bow in the front, but if you would add that padlock and some charms, this would be so beautiful. Even in reverse monogram. I will even take this in monogram with treated vachetta. This would be such a cute design. I don't know. I just love it, okay? Okay, so we have the Nice Mini. This is cute. This is cute. I like this. I honestly do. This is a Nice Mini. This is in monogram, and it also has the flowers on here. The product code number M14181. All the information will be linked up above, okay? Oh yeah, the Nice Mini. That's cute. Very cute. Okay, you have your Nano bucket. Me, I'm done with small handbags, but you guys see the little key pouch that's next to it? That would be all I want. I wouldn't even want the bucket. Just give me the key pouch. The Nano bucket, we have the product code number M13417. Okay? And let me know if I'm saying this correctly, because you guys, this is a handbag that I've never been into. The Papillon, am I saying it correctly? The Papillon handbag. It's a handbag, like I said, I've never really been into. But on this, I noticed a difference. It has a smaller mini Papillon on the front. And the product code number is M13097. And I showed you guys an actual video here of the vintage Papillon, which I think is so cute. I love, okay, you know what? I do love this. The vintage, I do love. I think they should have kept it just like this. The front adding a mini on there, no. They should have kept it like this. And with this being, you see how the vachetta is treated now and it's older? I like this. Me, I honestly think I'm meant for the vintage handbags. I really do. I just don't like the fact that I didn't have it first. You know what I'm saying? The handbag gave all their love to someone first. And then you don't know how many times it was passed down or passed around. You just don't know what people do in their home. So that's why I really, it's like a 50-50 with vintage. And then me purchasing and not purchasing. That's the reason why I don't. But this right here, I love. I love, I love, I love. So if you have anything from this collection, please make sure you leave it down below. I am so interested. Like, I just feel like my life is going in a totally different, like, direction right now, okay? Then you have the OnTheGo PM. And the bag tag on here is the little flower. I think that is so cute as well, okay? Now, in this collection here, there is a Speedy 25. Let me. Product code number is M14174. Okay. Okay. So we also have the pochette here, and I'm going to show you guys a vintage pochette. The only difference I see is the chain strap, and the product code number is M13666. Okay. And I hate saying that the last numbers, but that's what it is. You will also get the Boulogne. Am I saying it correctly? The Boulogne handbag. I never just really been into this handbag. I love the unprint leather and also the monogram in black. I just never been into it. So we have the Boulogne handbag that's coming out. Product code number is M13265. And to me, it looks like bologna. But I know it's not bologna. But the Boulogne handbag, okay? These two, like I said, I don't want this video to be extra long. You have a zippy wallet that's coming out, M13433, and a Victorine trunk. I think I already went over there. A Victorine trunk. It's M13427, and then you have a card holder here, M13429. So, guys, yeah, we have a lot that's coming out. Guys, yeah. like I said, I'm fighting through that collection. I'm fighting through the collection. I'm doing this for you guys that are interested. We have the cherry collection in May. I think I will be more into the cherry collection more than the cherry blossom collection. So, I should be receiving that soon as well. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show, but I should be receiving that information as well. So we do have the cherry collection that's coming out, like I said, in May. So guys, if you have any questions, and like I said, I'm waiting on a text. I'm going to update some of this information if it needs to be updated, but I think it's pretty accurate as far as the pricing goes. But I am still not over the multicolor collection. So I think I just need a separate group chat and title it multi-collection click and move on from there. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? So guys, I do have SLGs that I have been selling, things that I am finding in my closet that I just really don't use at all, brand new, used once or twice, on marquitalvluxury underscore, I think it's marquitalvluxury underscore closet. So yes, marquitalvluxury underscore closet. I am also going to list a few belts as well. But if there's anything that you're looking for, guys, and you see in my collection that I really don't use, except for my reverse monogram, you can email me or send me a DM. Email comes straight to me faster, marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. Please do not ask for my reverse monogram items. I am open to a lot of the other items, but my reverse monogram, please don't even waste your time. I am going to have some unboxings coming up, and I just want to say, guys, multicolor collection, it's not over. It's not over, okay? As always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. And for those CAs that are upset with me, I don't care. I don't care. I'm just speaking the truth. Quit ghosting your clients. Quit ghosting your clients. Okay, guys. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.